You that each color signifies something, and I am here to enlighten you on how to choose each capsule, and each colors of the vitamin E capsules targets a specific skin issues. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Ijoma here. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I am Ijoma and I create content on beauty tips, lifestyle and product review. I do everything beauty and skincare product reviews. Yeah, in today's topic I would like to give you tips on how to select your vitamin E capsules. You know, when you get to the market, you will see different shades of vitamin C capsules. Now you would ask yourself, is it because they want to beautify it, or maybe it's just to show different shades of colors? Maybe that's why they produced those vitamin E in different colors. Now I will tell you that each color signifies something, and I am here to enlighten you on how to choose your vitamin C for your basic needs. Each capsule and each colors of the vitamin E capsules targets a specific skin issues or skin problem, or it benefits the skin in one way or the other. I know you'll be asking, what is vitamin E? Now, vitamin E is an important fat soluble nutrient. It is a powerful antioxidant and it is needed for immune health and cellular signaling in your body. Many food contain vitamin E, but you can also consume it through dietary supplements. Some studies show that taking vitamin supplements may benefit certain populations, including people with diabetics. However, because most people get enough vitamin through their diet, supplements are often unnecessary. Further, high dosage of vitamin E supplements can cause side effects and interact with certain medications. If you're considering adding more vitamin E to your diet, talk with a healthcare professional first about your specific health concerns. Thank you very much. Now, benefits of Vitamin E Animate capsules on the skin. Vitamin E prevents wrinkles from forming by blocking free radicals on the skin. Vitamin E promotes collagen secretion. Vitamin E also helps new cell grow and regenerate faster. Vitamin E moisturizes rough skin and lightens spots. Vitamin E reverses premature aging. Vitamin E rejuvenates and restores dehydrated skin. Extra benefits are: it helps in reviving dry skin, it helps in glowing the skin, it smoothens the skin, it gives a radiant glow, it gives a healthy glowing skin. It has a deep green and a light green. Now the deep green is made from avocado essence. Yeah, this particular one targets acne. If you have acne, you're prone to acne, please get the deep green color. Now, while the light green one targets is made from aloe vera, and this targets sunburn, malasma, and so on and so forth. Now the yellow is whitening, or brightening. Yeah, this particular one gives a brightening effect or a lightening effect. I didn't say it will give you 2 to 3 shades lighter, no, but this one majorly it contains some ingredients that helps in brightening the skin. Yeah, please, it's not for usha whitening, but it gives you a whitening effect on your skin. Let's say, okay, let's call it brightening effect. Yeah, now the gold, that is a deep gold one, targets wrinkles. There is already wrinkles on your face and you are looking for something to help you fight it or treat it or remove it or clear it. Now you get the deep gold one, deep gold vitamin E capsule. Then you use it for that case, you use it for that skin issue. That is that. Then the light gold one, that one is for anti-aging. Light gold targets anti-aging. Now this one is, you don't have wrinkle yet, you do not have fine line yet, but you want to prevent aging signs. Now you get the light gold one. That one fight for anti-aging. It reverse, it works, it is an anti-aging. So you know what anti-aging means, as it prevents aging. Now the red one is made from pomegranate essence. So this one fights dark under eyes. If you have eye bag, you have puffy eyes, this one is for the eye area. So this one fights dark under eyes and everything. So the red one, if you have eye bag or dark under eyes or any issue around your eyes, you get the red one. Understood? Now let's go to the orange one. This one is made with vitamin C essence. It is rich in citrus, it is rich in vitamin C. It helps in collagen production in your skin. It helps in fighting impurities. It also helps in removing and clearing hyperpigmentation on the skin. Yeah, this, whenever you have these issues, please get the orange color one because it's rich in vitamin C, and it's also help in brightening your skin. You know that vitamin C is very good in brightening the skin. Now the white looking one is made from ginseng essence. This one helps in firming the skin. It helps in reducing the pore size. It helps in balancing the oil on your skin. Helps in, if you have an oily skin, please get this. It will help you. It helps in regulating and reducing the oil production on the skin. So this one is very good for people with oily skin. This one will do well for you. Yeah, please make sure you follow this direction whenever you're getting your vitamin E capsules. Do well to follow the directions. This will help you in choosing right. Now we've come to the end of the video. If this video was helpful, please do well to share to your loved ones. This video might be beneficial to them. And also like, share, and turn on the post notification. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.